Robert back here. Got a package in the mail today from one of my subscribers and Facebook friends. He doesn't do YouTube videos, but it's my buddy Steve. And hey, let's open this up and see what we got. So we open it up with this old Coleman pocket knife. My buddy Adam over at Coyote 238 put an edge on that blade for me. But it sliced through that like it wasn't nothing. So let's see what double package. Got this one taped up good. Got it packed really good. Don't have a clue what's in here. Interesting to see. Oh no. Man, check this out. Knife hunting, sheathed survival knife, pilot's knife. Camulus Cutlery Company. Oh man, check it out. Got the tie through there. I can't remember the name of that. You tie through there and put on the and leash it to your leg or whatever you want to call it. Sorry. Heck yeah. Well, check that out. Stacked leather handle. Man. Like it. I don't have one of these, Steve. And I got a couple other knives too. I'm going to get back into the Knife Show Sunday videos. I've been neglecting it a while. I've been on this Coleman lantern kick, and yeah, I'm going to get back into the Knife Show Sunday. I got a few videos that I need to get done. Man, that's nice. I don't have one of these yet. I've got one similar, but a lot lighter weight with a no name on it. That it's really old. That I was going to do a restoration video on. This even got a really nice, that's a heavy duty sheath. A little pocket with the sharpening stone. Heck yeah. Alright, Steve, I appreciate it, buddy. And I really do. You didn't have to do this. Man, that's nice. Man, that is nice. I really like that. And I'll be almost afraid to use that. Might be a safe queen. Got a good feel to it. I got to looking at that package. The thing's dated 8 of 1984. So that's pretty cool to know the exact age of it. Back in my old high school days. All right. Once again, Steve, really appreciate it. And I really like this. I really do. I've never owned a pilot's knife other than, like I said, the little knockoff junky one that I have. I mean, it's going to be a restoration video one day. But man, I really do like that. All right, y'all know the routine. Like, share, subscribe. God bless.